If your PayPal money is on a 2-1 day hold and you want to release it faster, this guide will help you understand the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This hold usually happens for new sellers or certain transactions to ensure security, but there are ways to speed it up. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can access your money sooner without confusion. First, open the PayPal app or website and sign into your account using your email and password. Go to the Activity section and select the transaction that is on hold. Here you will see the details and the reason for the hold. One of the most effective ways to release the hold early is by adding tracking information. If you sold a physical product, click on Add Tracking Info and enter the shipping details. Once the item is delivered and confirmed, PayPal may release the funds earlier than 21 days. If the product or service does not require shipping, you can mark the order as service completed. After that, the buyer may receive a confirmation option, and once they confirm, the funds can be released sooner. Another important step is to build account trust. Make sure your PayPal account is fully verified with email, phone number, and identity verification. This reduces the chances of future holds. You should also maintain good transaction history by providing accurate descriptions, responding to customers quickly, and avoiding disputes or refunds. If none of these steps apply, the funds will be automatically released after the 2-1 day period. In short, add tracking, confirm service completion, maintain a good account record, and your PayPal funds can be released faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.